Right. Now the next one is, let's start working on the actual squat movement. So extend your right foot in front, right? Engage your core and lift up. As you lift up, drag your heel in. As you extend your heel out, slowly sit back down. Now you can watch this from the side. Squat easily. Extend your left foot in front. Slowly drag your heel in as you lift your hips up, and as you sit back down, extend your heel in front. Once more, you can use a sock or a mat so that the sliding of the foot is a little bit more easier. So the last one is going to be a little bit more easier so that you get the whole range of motion and understand the movement properly. So extend your right foot in front, place your left hand on the floor. Exert some weight on your left hand, and as you lift your hips up, bring your right heel in. Right? Slowly once more, place your left hand on the floor and extend your right foot out. And watch from the side. Extend your left foot, place your right hand on the floor. Engage your core, lift your hips up and bring your left foot in. As you extend your foot out, slowly sit down.